Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a $500 passive income every single month or week or day depending on how you do this strategy. Just imagine waking up and making $500 continuously without doing any physical work on your own. Yes, this is possible, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. You don't need any knowledge whatsoever of how to do this, guys. As long as you can follow the steps in this video, you can start making money today by doing this strategy. So please watch to the end of this video to find out exactly how you can do this. Okay guys, so it's everyone's dream to make a passive income online, and especially making a passive income by not doing anything, right? Well, as you guys know on my channel, I show you countless of ways how you can make money online, and in today's video we're going to be specifically covering a passive income, an income that you can make where you don't have to do anything. Okay guys, all you have to do is set it up and regularly monitor it, maybe once a month or once a week depending on your input. Guys, this is extremely easy, you don't need any knowledge on it, and we're going to get straight into this. Okay, so you can earn a passive income of $500. Now you can make more than this. You can make $1,000 passive income, you can make $10,000 passive income, you can make $1 million passive income. It really depends on how much time you put into this. So let's go to our favorite website, upwork.com. We're also going to open up another website called fiverr.com. These two websites are the exact websites you're going to need to make this passive income, guys. Okay, now basically what you're going to do is make websites for people, okay, for companies, for clients, for businesses. Now guys, you do not need to know anything about coding websites, domains, hosting. You don't need to know anything, guys. Trust me on this. If you follow these steps in this video, you can completely do zero work and still make a website, and it's as easy as that. You put no time into the website, guys, and you can sell this thing to anybody. So let's just type it on Google, average website cost, and we're going to see that the average website can cost anywhere from $100 to $500, and it can even go up to $30,000 just for one website, guys. Okay, obviously it depends who you're selling it to. Now a smaller business is going to want to pay as minimum as possible, so potentially $100. A bigger company might pay $500, or a massive company may pay $30,000. So how can you do this? Okay, so we're going to go over to fiverr.com and simply type in website creation. Okay, once you get to this website, type in that, and as you're going to see, you're going to find over 176 people who will make a website for you for a cheap price. Okay, now these guys take control of absolutely everything that you possibly could need, and I mean everything. Domains, website hosting, everything you need, they will make it for you for a very cheap price. So let's just go ahead, for example, and say that a company wants, a professional looking website for their business. So if we go into this one here, we can see that they will make a 1 to 6 page responsible website for £12. £12, guys, that's like $20. Okay, and as you can see, the lower end is $100, and that is minimum. Okay, so, and they only take some 2 days, guys. Unlimited revisions, meaning that if your client or the business wants some changes, they will do it forever, unlimited. You just tell them, they'll change it. Simple as that. It's just basic communication. Now, if you go to the standard package, they'll do a 10-page website for £30. If you go to their premium package, this is a package where they will literally make 10 pages or up to 16 pages. They'll do it in 4 days, design everything, upload all the content, have a responsive design, 10 plugins, e-commerce functionality, so if the company wants to sell products on their website, they can, and add 50 of their own products for only £50, guys. Okay, now this type of website will go for around more up towards the $500 range, potentially up to $1,000, but you're only paying £50 and you do no work. And as you can see down here, they make sure it goes everything to the CEO, so they're going to make sure it's mobile friendly, clean, modern, make sure it's okay for Google, amazing CSS free, simple and easy to use, font tools, everything you need to know will be on this website. And if you're not happy, you will get a 100% money back guarantee. So if your client isn't happy and you're not happy, you get your money back, guys. It's as simple as that. And there is hundreds of these guys who do similar things, some dearer, some cheaper. There's another guy here who will make a website for £84. Obviously you need to go through these and find ones that you think is right for you and your client, and you can sell them to your client, guys. Now the way you would get work for doing this, so let's say you don't know anybody to sell a website to. Well, there's some easy ways that you can do this, guys, and what I'm going to do here is open up a notepad file and just tell you guys how the best ways you can sell your websites. Okay, so the first way of selling your website is post it on your Facebook page. Okay, quite literally make a Facebook post saying you're making websites. Just for the sake of getting a portfolio building up, make them for minimal profit. Okay, guys, so just, you know, if you're charging £12, you know, just charge £15, make a couple of pounds profit just to get a portfolio, so you know when you get future work you have some websites that you've already made to show them. Okay, once you've got maybe 5 or 6 done, you can then start to charge. Okay, so make a post on your Facebook. You can also post on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, if you don't know what that is, you can go into your Facebook and click on Marketplace and sell your website on Facebook Marketplace. Guys, don't underestimate the power of Facebook. There's a lot of business owners on there who want websites, and if you put your services on there, especially for cheaper, you're going to get snatched up quicker than you can imagine, guys. Okay, other things, put them on Gumtree. Gumtree is a brilliant website to sell things, not just products, cars or items. You can sell your websites on there. The same with eBay, the same with any other website you want to. You can sell your websites online. Now, if you don't want to sell them online and you're not interested in doing that because you think it's too much hassle, here's what you can do. You can go over to Fiverr again, because again, Fiverr is your best friend, guys. Trust me on this. Fiverr is the best website to find anything you want to be done. I showed this in the last video, but go to lead generation, guys. Okay, go down to one of these guys. The one I specifically covered last time was this one, because this one I found was personally the best one to find. They will provide you 100 leads, a database, guys, a whole database, as you can see right here, full of emails, websites, contact names, everything you need of companies who don't have an active website. So you could pay this guy £21. Okay, he will go out and get 100 people what you provide him information on. So you could say to him, you want somebody who their website is poor, or their website isn't very good, or you know, a website that you can improve. He'll go out and find 100 people who matches your description, get their contact information, and send you a database full of those information that you can go and contact them, guys. Honestly, it's the best way. You could even pay him £200 and get 1,000 leads. Now, guys, you imagine if you was to pay, say, £21 for 100 leads. If you had a 1% conversion rate, which is quite literally one person, you'll make your money back straight away. Just because if you're selling this website here for £12 and you're signing up for 100, that's £80 profit. You're paying him £21, you're making £60 profit, guys, every single time. Now, to make the 500 passive income every single week or every single month, you're going to need to up your game. So, and this is why it comes down to obviously growing it. Okay, so let's say you do the standard package. He gets you 500 leads a week, right? That's quite a lot of leads. Let's say you get a 1% conversion rate. That's 5 people a week who agree for you to make them a website. Now you've got a portfolio, you can start charging the standard charge price for £30. So you're going to sell this bigger website now, guys. Okay, so you're paying him £105. You're paying for each 5 people to have a website, which is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You're paying £150 for that. So in total, you're paying £250 to have all the leads and have all the websites made, right? Then what you're going to do is charge $500 for each one. So if we go to Google and type in calculator, you're paying £250 for all the websites to be made. Okay, that's for 5 people and 500 leads, right? Sorry, 500 leads, yeah, that's right. And what you're going to do is charge 500 for each website. So you're going to charge 500 times 5 people, take off the 250 you've charged them, you're making $2,250 per week. If you do that weekly or monthly, passive income. And you don't need to do anything, guys. You could do this over a year, you could do this over a month, you could do this over a week. It really depends how many clients you get. Now obviously the more clients you get, the more you can do this. If you do it in a bigger example, let's say we click on premium right here. Okay, you do the £200, 1,000 leads. Again, let's say you only get 1%, and the reason I'm saying 1% is because you could get 5%, you could get 10%, you could get all of them. All of the leads could want a website, but we're using the lowest possible amount just to show you that even with the lowest amount, you can still make a passive income, guys. So 1,000 leads, okay, you're going to be paying £200 for that. So let's bring this over here, and you're going to see £211 for 1,000 leads. Let's say this is on a 1 week period, okay? You're paying £211 for 1,000 leads, out of those 1,000 leads, 10 people are going to want a website, okay? That's 1% of the 1,000. 10 people are going to want your website, and you're going to charge $500 for each person, okay? Now, obviously, you're going to need to pay for the website to start with. So you have to pay £29 times 10, which is 290. So effectively, what you'll be paying is 290 plus 200 for the leads. You're paying out basically 500 per week for all the information and all the websites, okay? Now, obviously, you won't do this off the start. You've got to build it up and get your profit in. Don't just go in and pay 500 and hope for it. Guys, please do not just go in and waste all your money and invest it all at once. Slowly build this up, get the results in, get your portfolio building up before you just jump in and do it all. Because clients want to see, previous websites made. They want to see your, page looking good and stuff like that. So don't just jump in and do it straight away. Build it up, okay? So you're paying 500 a week for that. And now, obviously, guys, you're charging 10 of those people 500. So that's 5,000. So you're making 4,500 profit every single week. If you do that in 1 week, you're making $4,500 per week profit. If you do that over a month, you're making $4,500 profit. If you're doing that over a year, you're still making per month $300 profit. You could easily sell 10 websites in 1 year, easily. And that would make you $375 per month profit, passive income. And you don't have to do any physical work. All you do is communicate. You do communication. Your client tells you what you want, they want, and you tell this guy what they want, and then you just communicate between the both, and they come out and finish the work. And guys, it's honestly as simple as that. That's how you can make a passive income. You can literally plant the seed, start watering it, and it can grow and grow and grow, and it will never stop growing, because as long as you keep watering it and keep adding more clients and keep getting the work in, your passive income will continue to go up and up and up and up. And this is a very powerful way. A lot of people do this, and outsourcing is 100% the way forward. You could do this yourself. You could effectively make the websites yourself. But guys, honestly, the amount of time it's going to take you to make these websites, or just pay the person £30, is a no-brainer. Why would you spend a couple of hours making a website for £30? You may as well just pay the £30 and get it done without you doing any work. That way you can focus more on the leads, getting the leads in to give to the website to make you more money. And that is as simple as it is to make a passive income, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you did like this technique, let me know in the comments if you've done this before, or if you've had any experience doing something similar to this. I post every single day, guys. I post every single day of ways you can make money online. Every single way I post on this channel is 100% something I do myself. All these things you're seeing on this video, all the things you're seeing on all my other videos is purely from experience. Everything I mention on this channel, I physically do. I'm not one of those type of people who just makes the ideas and don't ever do it myself. I genuinely do this stuff myself. I show you my results. I show you my YouTube plaques. I show you everything that I do with all these techniques, and I show you how I've done it myself and the results I've gotten, and all the stuff I show you is 100% free, guys. There's nothing in this video that you need to buy. There's nothing in this video that I'm going to sell you. This is 100% free information, and all I ask in return is for you to please subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications if you haven't already. And guys, just a quick disclaimer to add in this video, because I have to add a disclaimer in every single video. If you guys are thinking about doing this technique in this video, please do your research. Please make sure you do your research, as it's not 100% guaranteed that you will make $500 passive income every month, every year, every day. It's obviously to do with hard work, motivation, persistence. This is not a get rich fast scheme. You will not get rich fast from doing this. You could on your own basis, but I'm not saying if you go and do this you're going to make so much money you can cry. I'm not saying that. This is not a 100% guarantee, so please just make sure, if you are thinking about doing this, please do your own research. This is not a guaranteed way for you to make money, but it's a way to show you how you can make money, and it can work. It does work. It works for me. This is my own experience, my own results, and honestly, guys, just take a look into it yourself. Do your own research before you make a decision. But this is a very good way to make money, and if you are thinking about doing it, 100% go for it. And let me know your results down in the comments below of what you have got, how your results have gone, and I would love to know. So that's it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.